everybody, it's Carrie from Carrie's Plans, and I wanted to show you an experiment that I am doing with my A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec. I know it's upside down, but I didn't want to hold my phone and shake it, so I set it up and it needs to be flipped around. Yeah, so it's all kinds of fun stuff. So this is an A5 folio in the Outlander leather in the A5, and then this is the Cousin Avec in the July through December. So what I have done is I tipped in a small business or small project planning insert from DIY Fish on Etsy in the B6 size, because that's what I had. I didn't want to buy another one if it wasn't going to work for me. I used some Simply Gilded washi. I had purchased some Tomoe River paper off of Amazon. 52 grain. My printer handled it like a champ, so it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the planner, which I like. I had it as a tryout with this other washi in a regular 32-pound paper, and it added so much weight. So I'm liking this. I don't know if I will just keep doing it in the B6 or if I will add or purchase the A5 to get the larger size and like print it at 92% like Dakshina says to do. That's it. Again, thanks everybody for watching. I just wanted to share what I was given a try for this month. Thanks all. Have a great day.